This might be one of the most private, homestead-ready properties we've seen in Maine, bordering hundreds of acres of conservation land. Tucked at the end of a quiet road in Blue Hill, this log cabin offers a rare opportunity to live surrounded by nature while still being just minutes from town. Lifestyle. Inside, the home blends rustic charm with thoughtful updates. The upgraded kitchen and bathroom add modern convenience, while a first-floor bedroom makes everyday living easy. Upstairs, a spacious loft provides flexibility as a second bedroom, office, or cozy retreat. A Vermont Castings woodstove brings warmth and character, making the space feel inviting year-round. Step outside, and the homesteading potential truly comes to life. The property includes a fenced paddock, chicken coop, and a horse barn with 2 matted stalls, along with a hay barn complete with storage, tack, and feed space. Underground electric and frost-free water spigots make caring for animals both practical and efficient. For those interested in gardening, a dedicated garden area has already been cleared and enriched with compost, ready for planting. A woodshed and full basement provide additional storage and utility space, supporting a self-sufficient lifestyle. Relax on the covered porch or deck and take in the quiet surroundings after a day outdoors. Located just over 3 miles from Blue Hill Village, you'll enjoy access to a vibrant coastal community while maintaining exceptional privacy. This is a true Maine homestead, peaceful, functional, and surrounded by nature.